Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be baking an appetizer out of the Busy Woman's Cookbook 3 and 4 ingredient recipes. I'll be making bacon sticks. So what do you need for bacon sticks? 5 slices of bacon, and you want to cut it lengthwise in half. I may or may not do this because you need 10 thin breadsticks, and they're talking about, just your regular deli breadsticks, plain, thin. They didn't have any. The only breadsticks I could find was frozen ones, also garlic, so the garlic flavor is an added plus, hopefully. And these are thicker, so I may have to use a whole bacon strip. And then we need 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So let's begin. So looking at the bacon slice and looking at the width of the garlic bread breadsticks, I'm going to do a full slice, at least for the first one, to see how it works. We'll take some of the Parmesan cheese, sprinkle it on the bacon. Then take and wrap the coated side on the breadsticks diagonally. Okay, let's try this again. We are going to use more than one bacon. Diagonal, some Parmesan cheese on that side. Like so. Then you take it and roll it in the cheese, like so. And then set it on an ungreased baking tray. All right, let's do one that is not so confusing. We're going to do 1½ bacons. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese on the bacon. Take your breadstick, and since these are frozen, I really don't know how much different they're going to cook versus a regular one that's not frozen. So we may be doing all of this for nothing. When we wrap that around diagonal so you get most of it covered, I roll that in the Parmesan cheese and set this on an ungreased baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 250. So here are all 10 of the bacon sticks. Put your bacon sticks in a preheated 250-degree oven for 1 hour or until the breadsticks are golden brown. So after an hour and 6 minutes, the breadsticks are brown. The bacon isn't real super crispy, but they do look done. So here are the bacon sticks. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, I know this is the thing I have to eat because it's the only thing on my plate.
It is bacon sticks.
Bacon sticks, all right?
And that is pizza sauce.
We'll try a bite without the pizza sauce. Have cheese in there?
It has cheese. Well, it's a frozen breadstick with garlic and cheese.
Oh.
And then I put Parmesan cheese under the bacon and on top of it and rolled it in Parmesan cheese. So it should be pretty cheesy.
Well, it was good without. I will say that's a winner either way.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.